Today's topic is going to be covering ElastiCache and how you can overcome the challenges of invalidating your backend data should you require to. The exam question is going to go over that, and we will discuss a little bit more on the different types of ElastiCache memory. Go ahead and dive right into it.
Let's take a quick look at what ElastiCache is in case you're not familiar with it. ElastiCache is a solution to allowing your web services to cache the information. It's Amazon's solution to this issue. It's pretty simple and straightforward. If you want to look more into it, I recommend looking at the documentation, but I've given a short summary on the screen. There are two types of memory that ElastiCache uses, either Redis or Memcache. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at the question for today. So the development team at an e-commerce company is preparing for the upcoming Thanksgiving sale. The product manager wants the development team to implement appropriate caching strategy on Amazon ElastiCache to withstand traffic spikes on the website during the sale. A key requirement is to facilitate consistent updates to the product prices and product description, so that the cache never goes out of sync with the backend. As a developer associate, which of the following solutions would you recommend for the given use case? Using a coaching strategy to write to the backend first and then invalidate the cache. Use a coaching strategy to write to the backend first and wait for the cache to expire via time to live. Using a coaching strategy to update the cache and the backend at the same time. Or using a coaching strategy to write to the cache directly and sync the backend at a later time. So the correct answer is going to be A in this instance. So we're going to write to the backend first and then invalidate the cache. The other options are there, but they're not as reliable. If the development team writes to the cache directly, then there is risk that the cache will become out of sync with the backend. And this could happen if the product manager updates the data in the backend but forgets to invalidate the cache. And similarly, if we wait for the time to live to expire, there's a risk that the users will see stale data on the cache. What you're looking at here is the best way to ensure that the cache is up to date using the latest data from the backend. I've given just a short demonstration on the screen of what this would look like, in that you would have the developer write to the backend, you would invalidate the cache in the middle, and then the user would be able to see that updated information live. That's the topic for today, very short and simple. If you have any questions, let us know below.